In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in Expert Option. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to click on this button up top on your chart, and then you want to make sure you're not on stocks, because if you're inside stocks, and if I press confirm here, as you can see, it only says place order, okay? So if you want to actually buy and sell, you want to go over to trading here, and you want to select whatever you want to trade. So we're just going to go with the basic Euro USD, and I'm going to press confirm. And there we go, the sell and buy buttons are now available. So to now buy and sell, you have to set a few things. First, you want to set your investment. So you can either just type it in using this kind of a calculator dashboard over here. And you could also do this by clicking this plus or minus button, which will go up or down depending on whatever you click. Here, you can then go ahead and set the auto close. You can set it as kind of one of these basics over here. So this will basically determine when your position closes. You could do basic or custom, where you can basically set after how long you want your position to close. And after this, you can just click on the buy button or the sell button over here, and it's going to open up your position, and it's going to basically be visible here inside the deals on the right hand side. And when this comes to the far right over here, the countdown is over and your position will close. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.